Hello beautiful souls, I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any topics in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know and I will definitely make a video on that topic. Also I have two other channels, Divinnestaars Tarot and Divinnestaars Tarot in Hindi, where I do tarot readings. And I'll be giving the link in the description box, so please visit them, and if you like them, like, share, subscribe to them as well. So coming to today's topic on this channel, it is about dimensions of consciousness. So first of all, what is consciousness? Consciousness simply means being aware about ourselves, our surroundings, being aware of something, right? So do you know there are 27 or even more than 27 dimensions of consciousness? Yes, there are many levels of consciousness, 27 or more than that. So here we will be discussing about 27 dimensions of consciousness, dividing the consciousness into 27 broader levels. We will be discussing about them. So beginning from first dimension. The first dimension of consciousness is physical consciousness. That is the consciousness related to physical sensation like touch. The second dimension, it is subconscious. That is programming of the mind related to physical consciousness. For example, if we touch something sharp and we get injured, that is the first level of consciousness or the first dimension of consciousness. And then our mind warns us before touching any other thing which is sharp the next time. It is the second dimension of consciousness, that is the subconscious. This is why many times we say that our subconscious stores the memories and it warns us, it guides us, right? So that is the second dimension. Now coming to third dimension of consciousness, that is our thoughts and other complex emotions related to other physical levels of consciousness. Let's take the same example here. In the third dimension, we develop fear or other complex thoughts or reactions to sharp objects. So it's injury to sharp objects is in the first dimension. Storing the memory of injury related to sharp object is the second dimension, and fear or avoidance of touching any other sharp object or any other emotions related to sharp object is the third dimension. Now coming to fourth dimension, it is known as the actual consciousness of our true self, our inner self. We move beyond physical and materialistic consciousness here and expand our observation and awareness regarding our thoughts and experiences. We start getting into awareness and expansion, get knowledge on stuffs related to life purpose, enlightenment, etc. Fifth dimension of consciousness, our spirit, also known as our energy body. Here, this part of the soul incarnates in the physical body for experience and evolution. Now coming to sixth dimension, known as superconsciousness. Here we gain awareness that we are connected to something bigger than ourselves. We understand the concepts of soul mission, reincarnation and other spiritual stuffs. Now seventh dimension, that is the soul. Here one gains knowledge about one's soul mission, soul purpose, reincarnation, life purpose, soul mission, soul lessons, etc. People who are in this consciousness can access information from their multiple lifetimes and understand the purpose. Past life regression therapists access information through this level of consciousness. Now coming to eighth dimension, known as soul consciousness. Here, the soul can know about collective experience and lessons from multiple lifetimes. It helps in knowing about soul growth and evolution and helps in determining the purpose and goals to accomplish in upcoming incarnations accordingly. So the difference between 7th and 8th dimension is, in 7th dimension we can access the life. In 8th dimension we can know about the purpose, the experiences and the lessons hidden in those lives. Coming to 9th dimension, here multiple souls of a soul group work together for accomplishing soul tasks together. It's like a group work. teamwork, group activity. The concept of soulmates, soul tribes, etc. come here. In 10th dimension comes understanding, learning, growing, learning and healing from experiences with soul group. Past life regression, life between lives therapy and Akashic records can help accessing these learnings and healings. People in this consciousness are able to understand the purpose of experiences by the soul members and learn, grow and heal. 11th dimension. It is about collection of different soul groups for collective learning, understanding and experience. In 12th dimension, known as Oversoul consciousness, there is collective consciousness of different soul groups working together to learn, grow, heal and evolve. The difference between 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 is that in the 9th and 10th dimension, there is only one group, that is few souls coming up as a group and working together, and in 11th and 12th, there are different groups coming together and working for a bigger purpose. Similarly, from 13th to 24th dimension, the groups go on multiplying, the number of souls go on increasing and they integrate together for learning, growing and healing. Now coming to 25th dimension. This is the level of our universe, from where the information or the formation of every atom happens for accomplishing growth, learning and sustainability of life. The formation of everything, every person, every being comes from the 25th dimension or the universe. 26th dimension, the pure light, the dimension of pure light or commonly called as God. Here, formation of understanding and knowledge happens, which gives structure and order to the universe. The universe which forms us, which forms every atom. Now the final one, that is the 27th dimension, that is the source, the creator. Here everything was created and originated. Every particle, thing, living being is one. We all are one. And we have emerged from the particles and fragments of this source. It is the parent of all that exists. So, with this we have completed our 27 dimensions of consciousness. Hope it was helpful to you. Do let me know, and if you have any doubts, any queries regarding this, do let me know. And yes, stay tuned for my next video, which is about the dimensions of universe, the 10 dimensions of universe. Take care, stay blessed till we meet again.